Lily? What's wrong?
Today is the day for Lily, Ethan, Pip, and Leo to be on duty. 4 students will wipe the board, sweep the classroom, arrange the desks and chairs, and take the trash down to the first floor before leaving.
Yes, Miss Anna. We will finish quickly.
Why does it have to be today? Our classroom is all the way up on the 5th floor. By the time we finish, it will probably be dark.
If the 4 of you work together, it will be very quick. The important thing is that everyone D1 does their own part.
The hallway on the 5th floor gradually became quiet.
Let us start. Pip, please wipe the desks on the right. Leo, please arrange the desks and chairs.
Lily took a cloth and began wiping away the remaining writing on the board. Ethan stood in the middle of the classroom, sweeping the floor with a broom from the back row of desks to the front.
When we finish, we'll run to the elevator first.
Yeah. Let Lily and Ethan come after us.
Leo, have you not started arranging the chairs yet?
Wait a little. I am tired.
You only did a tiny bit.
You two work really fast.
It is okay. Everyone can just do a little.
Leo, can you take this trash bag down to the 1st floor for me? I will do it later. You will forget later.
Ethan can help with it anyway. Finally, we are done.
When Ethan locked the door, Leo winked at Pip, signaling him to run towards the elevator ahead of Ethan and Lily.
We are going down first.
You two can take the next ride.
Those two are always in such a hurry.
I hope they do not cause any more trouble.
By the time they get downstairs, we'll already be outside.
Next time, we'll race to the elevator again.
Did you hear that? It's probably just the elevator.
Why are the lights flashing?
Don't worry, we'll be at the 1st floor soon.
Whoa! What's happening? I'm getting scared. It's okay. We'll be there in a second. Come on. Open. Leo. We're stuck. It'll be okay.
That's strange.
Maybe it's busy downstairs. Let's use the stairs. We'll meet them on the 1st floor.
Leo.
Do you think Lily and Ethan know we're stuck?
They probably think we already made it downstairs.
What if they go home? Please help us. We're trapped.
I'm really scared.
Me too.
You're scared too?
I was only pretending to be brave.
We shouldn't have run into the elevator first.
Ethan told us to wait.
Lily wasn't even angry, even though we barely helped.
We were lazy, and then we laughed at them.
If we get out, I'll apologize to Lily.
I'll apologize to Ethan. Leo!
Lily,
Lily and Ethan went down the stairs to the first floor, but Pip and Leo were nowhere to be seen.
That's strange. Pip and Leo came down much earlier than we did. Yeah, they should already be outside.
Finished your classroom duty? Where are Pip and Leo?
They took the elevator down before we did. They should have been here a long time ago.
That can't be right. I've been standing here the whole time, and I haven't seen either of them come out.
Something have happened to the elevator?
Come on, let's check.
All three immediately ran back to the main lobby on the first floor.
Mr. Sam, the elevator is stopped between the first and second floors.
Pip? Leo! Are you inside? Lily? We're in here.
We're trapped. The doors won't open.
Don't be afraid. We're right outside. Pip? Leo? Stay calm. We're gonna get you out.
Bring the emergency equipment to the first floor lobby right away. The elevator is stuck between the first and second floors, and 2 students are trapped inside.
I'm on my way.
David. 2 students are trapped inside the elevator. All right, I'll take care of it. Keep talking to your friends. Help them stay calm.
Pip? Leo? Mr. David is here.
Don't be scared. We're right outside.
Lily. We're okay.
Can we get them out now?
Not yet. I need to bring the cabin back to the first floor first.
Will it take long?
Just a few minutes.
Pip? Leo? Stay at the back of the cabin. Don't stand up yet.
Yes, sir. Pip, don't worry. We're still here. I'm scared.
Uncle David is still trying to check the elevator system.
Leo, the elevator is moving again.
Mr. David must be bringing us down.
Uncle David switched the system to manual mode and slowly turned it. The elevator doors slowly opened.
Leo, there's light. We're almost out.
All right. You can come out one at a time. Pip, you're first.
Lily, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have been lazy during cleanup, and I shouldn't have left you two behind. It's okay now. You're safe. I'll do my cleanup duty properly tomorrow. We'll do it together.
You've all learned an important lesson today.
Next time, we'll do cleanup together, go home together, and never leave anyone behind again.
Lily, let me carry that for you. Thank you, Pip.
I'll take that. You're really gonna do your share this time? I promise.
Remember, if you ever stay late at school again, tell a teacher or the security office. Never leave without letting an adult know.
Yes, we remember.
And if an elevator ever stops unexpectedly, stay calm, stay inside, and wait for trained adults to help. You were all very brave today.
Thank you, Mr. David.
Thank you for rescuing us.
Seeing you all safe is thanks enough.
Tomorrow, I'll come early so we can clean the classroom together.
I'll be waiting.
You have my word.
Let's all do our best together.
The four children walked home together, forging a strong and more mature friendship after a memorable incident.